Okay, first one of the day, new KTM 790 Duke. This is only a few weeks old. A gentleman has ridden it in the rain a couple of times, so we've got quite a bit of cleaning to do on this. He's going to go with one of our full works packages, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all this gloss, and then we're going to treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. So all the motor, all your wheels is going to get covered with the Ultimaxx ceramic, and we will put the XCP corrosion protection on banjo bolts, nuts and bolts, anything that I think will corrode and needs that extra bit of protection we'll get. So let's get it washed, let's get it decontaminated, and then we'll get it into the studio. We'll crack on with some polishing. This is a fairly new bike, but she's pretty filthy already, so yeah, let's get cracking. There you go, just under 3 hours. This KTM 790 Duke has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz ceramic put on all the wheels. We gave the wheels a good polish after we cleaned them, we prepped them, and then we coated them with the Signature Quartz. Absolutely gleaming. Look at the gloss on those wheels, better than new, and now fully protected for the years ahead. We did a 2-stage machine polish on this tank. Front mudguard had a couple of marks in it. It's a bit difficult with the KTMs because it's actually plastic. It's not really a good painted surface, but we've got a nice bit of gloss back to it. I treated the mudguard and the side panels to the Ultimaxx Lumex ceramic, and then we put the Signature Quartz on the gloss black. Look at the shine on that, absolutely gleaming. All the chains been re-lubed back up, all your exhaust has been polished, all your collector box, absolutely gleaming, better than new, and now fully protected for the winter ahead. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. Get yours booked in now. Satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.